No way. I'm not gonna go to some random place you found on the internet to meet some chick who may or may not be a devil worshiper.
Like
She's fake news. Nothing else, dude.
well, I'm going to prove you wrong.
I've been waiting all year for this. She's not fake news.
Good evening, my newest victim. We wouldn't want to wake the neighbors now, would we? Go, see who she was calling after. They don't seem very faithful.
Hey, what's going on over there? Oh my God.
Get him.
Yes, ma'am. That makes me thirsty. I need a drink.
Was that cranberry sauce really necessary? I'm telling you, all humans have a wishbone.
You just use their tailbone. Just snuff it.
Oh, just snap it.
Or you could reach inside and just pull out their intestine.
I think we should do this again next year.
Every year.
Look behind you.
All right, does that mean we're breaking for lunch or what?
No, we're not breaking for lunch.
What is a three-letter word for Freddy Krueger's mother's profession?
Rawr.
No, she was not.
Rawr.
Really?
Rawr.
Huh. N-U-N. I didn't know nuns could have babies. Oh no, here she comes now.
Working hard or hardly working?
Queen Malvolia, there's nobody around. How are we supposed to sell to humans if there aren't any?
Rawr.
Yeah, like she said, it's entirely too hot outside, and we're melting.
All I'm hearing is excuses. Besides, how are we going to have enough to feast upon tonight with that kind of attitude?
No.
Fine. Let me show you how it's done.
Only 25 cents for a glass of lemonade? Yeah, I'll take one. Do you change for a 20?
Oh, darling. You know, since you're our first customer. Well, my ghouls, that's how you get an easy victim. Now, get this guy inside before his body starts to decay in this heat.
You always get the end piece.
Get the fuck out of your car.